Hi, this is Billy Tarasio, and welcome to iDoOver.life. Let's face it, life doesn't always go like we planned, and sometimes when we look back at things, we need a do-over. We're taking a different direction, things just didn't work out the way we wanted it to, and that could be for a lot of reasons. Maybe you need a divorce. Maybe you have an existing child custody plan that isn't working and you need a do-over. Maybe you accidentally got pregnant or you accidentally got someone pregnant and you need a do-over. Life doesn't always go like we planned it, and it shouldn't be shrouded in secrecy or expense or hard to get a do-over. Things happen. In business, we call them pivots. In life, we call them do-overs. And welcome to iDoOver.life. At iDoOver, we've got 3 packages for you that we can help you with whatever your family court matter is. We've got a basic do-over that will take you from the beginning of your case all the way to the end. This is great if you think the other side might not respond or if everything's uncontested. We'll make sure that things are done correctly for you the first time by professionals, but not attorneys. So that means you know exactly what your costs are going to be, you're not billed by the minute, and you stay in complete control. The second package we have for you is called a facilitated do-over, and this comes with it 2 different sessions of mediation. Sometimes you know almost exactly what you want, but you know you're going to need a little bit more help working out and ironing out some of the details. And that's where the facilitated do-over might be perfect for you. And finally, we've got the advised do-over, which is the best of both worlds. So iDoOver is a sister company to Modern Law. Modern Law is a law firm owned by me, and we do exclusively family law here in the Phoenix area. For an advised do-over, you get 2 hours of legal coaching with a lawyer while a certified legal document preparer helps you do all of your paperwork. That way, if you ever find yourself tripped up or you need a little bit more assistance or you need legal advice, you can get it. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. We've always believed that people should have options and people should have information, and that's where iDoOver comes into play. We also have online courses for you. So whether you're representing yourself or you're represented by an attorney, you may want more information. And instead of paying an attorney an hourly rate to get that information, we've packaged it for you so you can get it online. And if you are going to court, this is probably the biggest transaction you've ever faced in your life, and you should go in with knowledge because knowledge is power. And to get the best possible outcome, this is what you're going to want to do.
So do not wait. You have nothing to lose. You can find us online at www.idoover.life.